Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a fantastic example of America's favorite car, the Mustang. We got a 66 Mustang right here, loaded up with features. It's the A code, which is the Performance 289 4-barrel motor. It has factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, GT equipment. It's a ground-up restored car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, let's go for a spin in this Mustang. Yeah, underneath the car is beautiful. The metal, the frame rails, the floors, all that's really nice and clean. There's receipts for, they're posted on our website. I glanced at it. It might be $7,000, might be $10,000 for recent work that's been done, including the rebuilding the front end. I've seen new control arms, all new front disc brakes, the calipers, the rotors, all of it's new. The transmission, C4 automatic trans was rebuilt. It has a real nice exhaust system, dual exhaust because the A code. The body is beautiful. Nice clean lines, fits real nice, straight, smooth body, no issues. It's got the GT exhaust coming through the valance, the reverse lights, the bumpers, the tail lights, GT gas cap. All of that looks to be in excellent shape. Trunk fits nice and square. There's three little nicks right on this top edge right here. You get a nice color match that'll be easy to touch up. It's got the GT wheels. I like the red centers. It matches the stripe in the interior. And they're new wheels, and I can tell they're a little bit wider. Some nice new tires. I can see the metal around here is super clean. It's the factory metal. The moldings are real nice. Glass is nice. Obviously has the red GT stripe and emblems, new door handles and mirrors on both sides. The trim is real nice. A couple tiny dimples there, but it's overall straight, shiny. The windshield does have some little rock nicks in it. If I owned this car for a long time, eventually I'd probably consider a windshield, but it is fine the way it is. It's got the GT fog lamps, the running horse, the bumper, all that's in excellent shape. Correct antenna. Completely restored, detailed. The engine bay is smooth, clean metal. The nuts and bolts are clean. The hinges are nice. The motor itself is all stock. It's got the right air cleaner with the heat riser tube, the tube going up to the choke, the correct hoses and clamps, power steering, power brakes, the new brake system. It's got the washer bag. I can see their new shocks. It's a really nice motor compartment. Really nice red interior too, fully restored. Trunk compartment's really tidy. Look how all this is painted nicely. You got new rubber, the latch is clean, it's got the sticker. Actually, all inside here is painted nicer than most. It's a really, the wheel wells are gloss white. It's got the full liner and tire cover, jack, spare. Comes with some nice literature, books, manuals, new car cover. That's all included with the car. It's got a rear bench seat with the fold-down armrest. I like the cushion armrest. They added a couple things. Retractable shoulder belts, and they've also added headrests. Both of those are safety features, nice to have. The cushions are good in the seats. The steering wheel looks new. The whole dash area, the dash pad, the metal is painted nice. The bezels, the knobs, all that's in really nice shape. The A and the VIN numbers right here, that's the performance engine. Bottom of the hood's painted nice. Super nice car throughout. The sill plates, the weather strips are nice. Door panels, armrests, window cranks are excellent. Carpets are real nice. Has embroidered floor mats. Has a retro stereo system. Seat belts in the back seat. Let me fire it up for you. I drove this car personally. Runs and drives really well. Yeah, it runs smooth. Headliner, really nice. The visors, the mirror. I mean, everything I'm looking at. The kick panels, the handle on the brake release, the fog lamp switch, the shifter on the floor. Of course, the Ford air conditioning unit hanging under the dash. That's how they were at that time. The high-low beam switch is new. The door jambs, looking way up in there, is real nice, slick
Center
white paint.
console maybe, touch earlier.
Yeah, it runs real nice. Radiator looks good. It's got the horns. Sticker on part of the AC parts like it's fresh.
Motor 2 ending.
Hood fits real nice. Door shuts nice. Trunk need a little extra slam, probably the rubber. Yeah, super nice car. This is ready to go to car shows. This is a quality car. You can go to an all Mustang show and be proud of this one. Great colors, got great eye appeal, great options, nicely restored. If you're looking for something to put in the garage that's ready to go, here it is. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact their salesman. That's my impression of the car, but any questions or concerns you have, feel free to ask them about the car, the process, to help with the paperwork, the delivery, the financing. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.